Hey everyone, I just made it to DC and I want to do a quick room tour. This is a boutique hotel in DC. Okay, you first have the door, which I like. It has a this thing to prevent someone from coming in. You know, I really like when hotels have this. When you first walk in, you see a closet which opens. Sorry. And it has a safe lock, and I put my luggage in here. Also comes with a robe and some hangers. Okay, and then you keep walking, you see a mirror to your right, full body mirror, which is great. And before I go in the bathroom, I just want to show that they also have this area for coffee, drinks. I think there's a refrigerator under here. Yep, see a fridge. And so that's really nice. Then you walk into your left, there's the bathroom. So you can see it's a nice size shower, neat sink. And what I really like is that the toilet is around the corner. Use the bathroom over here, and around the corner is where you take a shower. That to me is really nice. And I think this door also, oh, okay, this is just the bathroom door closed, like it slides. And it comes with towels, and this is probably like a air dryer, yeah. But really nice, comes with some toiletries. And I really like the shower. Look at that shower head. Really nice hotel. Then you come in to the main room area. You have a couch, two couches. You have, well, this is probably, I put my luggage on here first. And then there's a couch. You have a window, regular view. You have a large screen TV, a desk area, and you have the bed. The bed is nice and big. I think they said it's a king. You have two lamps on the side. I don't see any plugs in these lamps, but good thing I this time brought an extension cord. So we shall see. And so here's the view outside my window. I could have gotten a nicer view, but I didn't want to pay that much because this room already was expensive. But this is the hotel. Really nice. Update, the plug is right here on the side of the bed on the dresser or nightstand.